So I'm going to scroll down to the fourth option, just because it is a topic that I looked at and found this article a little while getting prepared for this lesson. So we're going to click on this particular article and it's going to open up. And you'll notice there are a couple of different ways to access it. You can either access it online or download. But what we're looking for is if we decide that this is an article that is going to be used in a paper, we need to use this article and cite it properly. So the first thing that you can do to make sure that you are citing and creating an APA formatted reference page is utilizing our citation tool. So toward the top right, there are little quotation marks. When you click on that, you will be given several different formatting options. We're going to click this drop down button under Select Style, and we're looking for APA, which is right here. It is the 7th edition, so we do want to click on that. And once we have clicked on APA 7th, it's going to give us our APA style formatted reference. So what we can do is highlight and copy this reference, and then we're going to paste it into our references page.